This short guide shows how to buy shares of Arctic Paper SA, specifically how to buy shares of Arctic Paper SA, ARP.ST. Arctic Paper is a European paper manufacturer listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ARP.ST, and this walkthrough is educational only, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will normally verify your account with a government ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ARP.ST to locate Arctic Paper SA. Make sure you select the listing that matches CBOE EU to find the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is Arctic Paper SA. Check the company description and trading venue to ensure this is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro and more information is available in the description below.